Data over a 3-year period. WGN's Alyssa Donovan is live outside the 19th District Police Station now with more. Alyssa.
Good evening, Ray and Micah. Yes, during that 3-year period, black people had their vehicles searched 3 times more frequently than white people. They were also more likely to be stopped and more likely to be subjected to use of force. CPD says since that data was collected back in 2017, they have improved and increased their training. The report breaks down the analysis of Chicago Police Department stops and use of force incidents recorded between October 17th, 2017 and February 28th, 2020, right before the start of the pandemic. The Office of Inspector General's Public Safety Section found that black people were overwhelmingly disproportionately stopped by CPD. Out of more than 337,000 investigatory stops, more than half were black people. Black people were also nearly 2.5 times more likely to face a use of force following an investigatory stop than non-black people.
I certainly was not surprised to see this report. I mean, the report really quantifies what we know, what we hear so often, what has been well documented quite literally for generations.
Professor Sheila Betty is an expert in community justice and civil rights. She says it's valuable to have these numbers and have them be made public. She believes the report shows there needs to be change within policing, that power needs to be curbed, and the culture needs to be adjusted.
A couple of other jurisdictions have started doing this. And one of the things is, for example, taking armed police officers out of the business of engaging in traffic stops, ensuring that police officers are not arresting people for minor misdemeanor offenses.
The evaluation also found CPD was more likely to use higher level force against black people. A draft of the report was provided to CPD, who wrote in a response that since the time period of the report, the department has revised numerous policies. Stating in part, the Chicago Police Department increased training related to use of force and bias-based policing in quantity, frequency, and quality. While in-service training did occur prior to 2017, the scope was dramatically expanded starting in 2017 so that every sworn member of the Chicago Police Department received in-person training every year. And Betty says reports like these are the reason that there are calls for police reform in Chicago, not only here, but in major cities across the country. Reporting live on the north side, Alyssa Donovan, WGN News.
Thank you, Alyssa. Governor Pritzker declaring today Dr. Ngozi